This is how to change a belt on your Dirt Devil vacuum. Okay, the belt's broke. First what you need to do is unplug it from the wall. This is a safety precaution. Then you release the handle and you flip it over onto its front so that you can access the belt cylinder. First you have to take out the 3 screws that are holding the belt cylinder in. Then, if the belt was really broke, then you would have to just lift that cylinder out, and you should use equal pressure on both sides to get it out. You can see how the belt goes in.
It's hooked around a metal piece.
So go ahead and put the cylinder back in. You would put your new belt in. You would put it onto the little groove that holds the belt, and then you put equal pressure on both sides and put those slots back in to where they came from, and you make sure they're seated down in there. They should be flat, not diagonal.
Oh, I think I'm hitting something. Equal pressure. I think it's supposed to be just like that. Pay too much attention. So, we're all good. Here we go.
It could require a little bit of finagling to get it in there because you got pressure from the belt pulling it towards the back.
There we go.
Seat it down in there. Ensure your belt is in the groove properly. Put the cover back on and then screw back in your Phillips head screws. And that's how you replace a belt. Say goodbye.
Peace.